This exhibition in the Jewish Museum started with quite a long process that I've been working with for several years. What I wanted to do is to bring the content of Frankenstein and Mary Shelley and to weave it into the content of the Jewish Museum, to have the viewer see both with fresh eyes. To mark the 200 years since the publication of Frankenstein, I created this weekly planner for the year 2018. It is made of 80 drawings that I made specially. And I was very keen in creating a book that I draw everything. I draw the numbers, I draw the letters, everything. The planner is about opening the story of Frankenstein, of Mary Shelley's life and circumstances of the 19th century. It also relates to parenthood and motherhood and of my life, because it's a planner and it's a diary, and my son also entered as an image in the planner itself. In each junction in my life, I meet Frankenstein from a different angle. And yeah, maybe now the new phase of how I relate to this book is through the process of creation. The exhibition, in many ways, is an evolution of the planner. I have to say that it was very important to me in a way to have an exhibition in London. I think in this process of just being here, it kind of started without noticing. So it was a box I found in the street, a mirror I found in a thrift shop, things that really made me think or made me react to it. From the beginning, it was very clear for me that I don't want just to take the drawings that I made for the planner and hang them in an exhibition. It was all about how I create a dialogue with a new space. And while going through the museum for the first time and seeing the storage, slowly I understood how the connection can be made. The viewers are invited to enter the space, to take red gloves, to take planners, and to walk around the museum to find the connection between the numbers in the planner and the numbers in the objects. It's an invitation to take a journey. Maybe for this exhibition, the theme is creation in Frankenstein. But I think at some point you create your story. It gives you a kind of space to create your own monsters.